This demonstrates the repair of a badly damaged pump. The primary products used are Devcon's Ceramic Repair Putty, WearGuard, and Brushable Ceramic. Brushable Ceramic is a leading-edge product from Devcon. It is a low-viscosity, alumina-filled brushable epoxy, resulting in a low-friction surface with outstanding chemical and abrasion resistance. Available in red, white, and blue, multiple coats of brushable ceramic ensures a uniform coating and allows an easy assessment of wear by simple visual inspection. This Devcon product is ideal for repairing and rebuilding a wide variety of processing equipment handling chemical and abrasive compounds, including scrubbers, pumps, screens, hoppers, pipes, impellers, and screw conveyors, to name a few. It is non-sagging, so it can be easily applied in vertical and overhead applications. It is applied by hand using simple hand tools. Designed to fill smaller voids, this Devcon-filled epoxy product allows for thinner layers to be added to attain the required thickness. It has a low coefficient of friction, resulting in improved material flow and high resistance to chemical and abrasive materials. If the repair surface is greasy, degrease it with Devcon Cleaner Blend 300. Grease and oily films left on the surface could be forced into the porous surface of the repair area by grit blasting. After degreasing, the surface should be grit blasted with a clean, coarse blast media to produce a clean and good surface profile. Apply Devcon Cleaner Blend 300 to clean the entire surface, making sure all dust particles are removed. The brushable ceramic should be applied as soon as possible to ensure no oxidation or flash rusting contaminates the repair area. Pour the hardener into the container containing the red brushable ceramic. Using a thin spatula, mix until the two colors become one uniform color without any streaks. A thorough mix of the two components is very important. Apply the brushable ceramic to a 15 to 20 mil thickness over the entire repair area using a medium to stiff brush. Ensure the product is forced into all porous and cavitated areas. This first coat acts as a primer or wetting coat. WearGuard is used to fill holes and large voids in the pump casing. Mix the dark-colored resin and light-colored hardener until the mixture is streak-free and has a uniform color. Achieving this uniform color and texture is important to ensure the optimal performance of WearGuard. While the primer coat remains tacky, WearGuard is applied using a spatula or a glove-covered hand. Force it into the voids and surface irregularities to achieve full surface contact. Build up the repair area to conform to the pump's surface and shape. For filling large holes or for repairing severely worn areas such as the volute, it may be necessary to tack weld a piece of metal plate or expanded metal over the exposed area to provide backing for WearGuard. Put the cream-colored hardener into the dark blue resin. Mix until the two colors become one uniform color without any streaks. Again, a thorough mix of the two components is very important. Less severely eroded areas are filled with Devcon Ceramic Repair Putty. This buttery textured ceramic-filled putty provides a smooth, chemical and wear-resistant repair throughout the pump casing. While the ceramic repair putty is still tacky to the touch, apply the final coating of brushable ceramic in a 15 to 20 mil coating. This coat should cover the entire pump chamber so there is no leading edge that can be attacked by the material being pumped. The light blue brushable ceramic was used for the final coat. Applying it over the red primer coat and the dark blue ceramic repair putty makes clear when 100% coverage has been reached, and it makes future visual inspection for wear easy to do. If you see red, it is time to resurface the pump as a preventative maintenance measure. This coat provides a monolithic seamless coating. The low coefficient of friction finish enhances the pump performance and protects the pump from abrasive and chemical attack. The pump is ready to be put back into service in 24 hours.